Hi, I'm Mikey.
And I'm Donovan.
And this is Mike and Donovan Outdoor Reviews. Alright, today we're going to be doing a video on how to disassemble a Glock 19 that I got for Christmas. And let me say, I absolutely love this gun to death. Alright, first of all, move the magazine, nothing in the magazine. Check the gun, nothing in there. Dry fire it, which you have to do. Bring the gun back just a little bit. You have see these tabs right here on each side. See those? You have to pull them down at the same exact time, and just slide to come right off. All right. There's the Glock frame, magazine. All right. Here's your recoil spring. It has no pressure, so you're gonna be just fine. It's not gonna come back and smack you in the face. All right. Remove your barrel. Just push in and then out. All right. There you are. That's how you disassemble it. Reassembling it is very simple. It's not hard. You just take this in, make sure it's up, not down like this. Alright, take that, put it back in there. Take the recoil spring, take this little end right here, and put it right here, inside this hole right here. And push down, you gotta push down, and make sure you get it on level, matched up with that little, it's like notch down here on the barrel. You probably can't see that, but it's there. And then you take this, you line it up, you line these two holes up right here with the frame, slide it on there, and there you go. Do a function check. It's fine. Put the magazine back in, and you got a reassembled Glock. And that is how you disassemble and reassemble a Glock. Thank you very much.